Hey buddies, what's up? So today just a little vlog, like an update. Today, like you seen it already title, we say goodbye bye to the black Jetta. Yeah, I sold it because of reasons I'm gonna tell you later, but yeah, I sold it. The project is done. I'm looking forward to start a new project soon. And yeah, I got it back running, so it's running. It's not like I sell a car what is not running. Yeah, changed the turbo, changed two coils. They were actually bad, that is why it didn't start in the last video I've seen. And yeah, it's back running and it's gonna be sold. A friend is coming get it in like an hour or so. Alright buddies,